Greetings everybody, we're back again. This is Mzansi Football. We're back, we're analyzing the football games. Yeah, Bram, here you with your presenter, Lodge, and then here I'm with...
Yeah, uvana buko la res bangazosazi basangosazi sure.
Sure, Bram. We're back again 10 May, Soweto Derby Nedbank Cup final. And then it's another hard one, bro.
Sure.
Kaizer Chiefs wants to win, Orlando Pirates wants to make history by winning treble of Nedbank Cups.
Sure.
What do you say, man? Like, how do these both teams approach the games?
Yeah, this game, I like it. As Tina is the Kaizer Chiefs, you're coming as underdogs, which is a good thing. Everyone is saying the game is one-sided, but I like it. It's gonna be a tough game. It's a cup final. Everyone goes all in, so I would say this game is gonna be balanced.
Yeah, so Kaizer Chiefs coming from a lose, Soweto Derby.
Sure.
And then what is the motivation they must build up and say we go to the Nedbank Cup final and then we must stay motivated to good we can match Orlando Pirates?
I think the mentality players is in it for this game. It's easy, man. Just know in 90 minutes that you are playing. From there, you are creating history.
Yeah.
The players must have a confidence on what they are doing. You understand?
Sure.
Meaning, and everything about you, they must do good. They have a vision. We are going as a team. As a good team, if you play as a team, anything is possible.
Sure.
We've seen this thing like almost in every teams. If you are playing as the whole team, not individual. But if you play as a team, but game so killer street. We are blocking them at every point because most of the underdogs, everyone thinks game grand.
Sure.
But if you say as a team, everything is possible. That's the only thing in our Chalabanu Cup final.
Sure, Orlando Pirates back-to-back wins. Soweto Derby, a game against Golden Arrows. But we see the confidence here.
Yeah.
Because like they were having like a little bit of downfalls, knocked out in the CAF Champions League semi-final, and then lose against Isikhukhune.
Sure.
And then they come back again. So to Derby baya win Kaizer Chiefs, they came back again. Badlale Moses Mapira ba win Golden Arrows. The confidence is back. Goma play, and then we bona kanjani Orlando Pirates, how can they approach Nedbank Cup final, and then how can they make sure they break the history of winning 3 Nedbank Cup finals?
Yeah, Orlando Pirates is a team like that is consistent with what they are doing. I can say is they coach like who built a philosophy on them. Yeah, as you can see from these past 3 seasons, Ibuki Pirates and Ochos or Rivero, like they've been consistent. They have midfield, backline, defense. Yeah, so now I can say Pirates they isn't much because as we know, Pirates almost in every game. They have the same starting lineup, and the starting lineup sabo perform every game. So I wouldn't say khona into angayishintsha uJose Rivero. It's clean midfielder yakhe yazi 3 yakhe umbatha nguMakhaula. Either then if friend yakhe maybe uzomasonga that day, mara we are preferable usual sponsor masonga in this type of games. Then you wingers front line yakhe, which is I can prefer on that game. On the left, we choose our normal player, Mfukeng. On the right, Kingot. Then centrally, I can say, Umahopa, I like he workload to Fian. Umahopa is a type of striker that I can say, he's a striker that can be anywhere in the field. It's not like Uchi striker still boxing. Yeah, if you know we're defending, he's there. If we are creating chances, he's there. I'm sure good to know say wing across the ball. I'm sure good to say like a boxing. So on that game he plays so because it defender can't even read to go to Dlala. So your friend yaki grand for me.
Mabasa confidence is back Gorilla against Golden Arrows.
Yeah, Umabasa is those type of finishers. I understand those type of strikers that you know good you can count if I'm again. We are thinking good this person can finish this thing. Let's say like in terms of set pieces, Mabasa is like those clinical strikers. Yeah, they don't miss. So, not saying technical.
Mahopa.
Yeah, Mahopa no Mabasa. They are not the same strikers. That's why I coach. But for me, I would prefer for the game Mahopa. So sure, because Mahopa you can everything. Because you already know what was the other team is predicting. Then for a final finisher, Mabasa for me, second half. So
yeah, okay. Okay. So, Figile nazi 10 Zagamay.
Sure.
Both teams are playing away Moses Mapira Stadium. And then who do you think has any advantage of this Nedbank Cup final?
There's no one for me, my brother. There's no one. Like as I'm seeing Geek Cup final, anyone is there. Not speaking in terms of feelings, because the Chiefs is coming in at the dogs and they want to prove themselves. Pirates, they want to defend their title. Meaning both of them, they are coming to we want this final. As again and Atiku Chiefs in a 10 years drought. As I told you,
Sure.
the Pirates want to keep on working, which is the Pirates want to have 3 consecutive Nedbank 5 Cups. So on this game, I can say it's neutral at some point, even though people are saying good, it's one-sided. Yeah, but for me, it's very balanced, this game. It's simple.
Okay, so Prayam, predictions, which team is winning this one?
Ish. Prediction, my brother, I think this game,
Which one is winning? Okay, which team is winning?
which team is winning? The Chiefs that is winning for me.
Because the Chiefs will lift in the trophy.
Sure.
Trophy drought ending.
Yeah, it's ending this year, straight.
Why are you saying that?
From there, Chief, give cup final. Chief, players are motivated at some point. They want to make history for the club. Because the Chiefs, every season we've been trying. If play defense as a color, Mara, this season they want to prove it to good. Yeah, they can still have the hope of saying good. The Chiefs are a big team. They have one of the best fan base in South Africa, I can say. So if fans now, they've been hungry, they are supporting them each and every day. So this is the chance that they can get to capitalize on that thing, saying good, yeah, we love your support. This is the thing that we're bringing. So in that game, yeah, because coming as underdogs on that game, I think they can do and win the game and push for it as a team.
Okay, so score?
His score 2-1. Simple. It's 2-1. 2-1.
Which 2?
Chiefs 2, Pirates 1. Reverse of the first leg of the first game.
Okay, we thank you, we thank our fans, and then don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. This is Mzansi Football. Those who bet, here's the score prediction of the Nedbank Cup final. Then don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.